categories and subcategories. And you can see inside of here, I've got this little arrow. And in this arrow, I've got something called onboarding. Inside the demo here, I've got something called tests. So a lot of folks like to organize this by topical categorization. So let's say I've got inside of here a customer success category. This might be my onboarding messages. This might be frequently asked questions. Another one might be post onboarding. It might be handover to maintenance, whatever it might be. Sales is another great way. You can see how we've organized it right here inside of sales. You've got things like connection requests, prospecting messages, trigger events, upsells, you name it, marketing as well. We've got different types of categories that you can have. The sky is the limit. You now have the ability to add in categories and subcategories. So how do you do it? Come here to settings, manage categories, and now you can add any category you want. And you can now see all of your categories inside of here. And if you wanted to delete something, you just simply hit delete and away it goes. And bye-bye that category. As you can see, it's gone. So you can add categories now and help you organize your life. Remember that Word doc, Google Doc, OneNote, Evernote, all of those things that you would store your messages on, you couldn't categorize them. And so here now you can categorize, you can organize all of your messages or your snippets inside there.